Welcome to our 26 Words a Day English Language Learning course. This course is designed to help you expand your vocabulary and improve your English skills, whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner. Each day, we'll introduce a new word, along with a carefully crafted sentence demonstrating its proper usage. This systematic approach will not only expand your lexicon, but also help you develop a stronger command of sentence structure and grammar. This course can be helpful for IELTS students too, as it will enhance their vocabulary and sentence construction skills, which are crucial for achieving a high score in the exam. Let's embark on our journey of learning 26 words a day, starting with the word abase. Word abase, meaning to lower someone or something in rank, position, or esteem. Sentence example: the arrogant businessman's decision to abase his employees by cutting their salaries without notice led to a major backlash from the community. Word 2, bacterium, meaning plural of bacteria. Sentence: the scientists discovered a new species of bacterium in the soil sample, which had the potential to produce a powerful antibiotic that could revolutionize the treatment of bacterial infections. Word 3, Kabbalism, meaning superstitious devotion to one's religion. Sentence: the secret society was accused of practicing arcane Kabbalism, engaging in mysterious rituals and occult practices that were hidden from the public eye. Word 4, daring, meaning brave. Sentence: the mountain climber's daring ascent up the sheer cliff face, without any safety equipment, left onlookers in awe of her incredible skill and bravery. Word 5, earnest, meaning ardent in spirit and speech, serious, and determined. Sentence: the student approached the teacher with an earnest desire to understand the complex subject matter. Word 6, facet, meaning a small, polished, flat surface, usually in the shape of a polygon, such as one of the surfaces of a cut gem. Sentence: the diamond's many facets refracted the light, creating a dazzling display of colors and reflection. Word 7, gauge, meaning an instrument that measures and gives a visual display of the amount, level, or contents of something. Sentence: the mechanic used a specialized gauge to accurately measure the engine's fuel pressure. Word 8, habitable, meaning something is suitable for living in. Sentence: the scientists discovered a distant planet that was potentially habitable, with conditions similar to those of Earth. Word 9, ichthytic, meaning ichthytic refers to something related to fish or fish-like. It can also describe something that is similar to or characteristic of fish. In biology, ichthytic is used to describe the study of fish or the characteristics of fish. Sentence: the ichthytic expert studied the unique characteristics of the newly discovered fish species. Word 10, jargon, meaning language used by a particular group of people, especially in their work, and which most other people do not understand. Sentence: the technical manual was filled with jargon that made it difficult for non-experts to understand the complex instructions. Word 11, keepsake, meaning something given or kept as a token of the giver's sentiment. Sentence: the family carefully preserved the old photograph as a cherished keepsake, a reminder of their shared history. Word 12, lacerate, meaning to rip or shred in a rough manner. Sentence: the thorny bush lacerated the hiker's arm, causing a deep gash that required immediate medical attention. Word 13, macadamize, meaning to construct or pave a road with broken stone, bound with tar or asphalt to create a smooth, hard surface. Sentence: the city decided to macadamize the old dirt road to make it easier for cars to travel on. Word 14, naphtha, meaning a flammable liquid hydrocarbon mixture used mainly as a solvent. fuel, or raw material in the petrochemical industry. Sentence: the factory stored large quantities of naphtha for use in the production of plastics and other chemicals. Word 15. Oakum, meaning loose fiber obtained by untwisting and picking apart old ropes, used especially for caulking the seams of ships. Sentence: the shipbuilders packed oakum into the seams of the wooden ship to ensure it was watertight. Word 16. Pacify, meaning to calm, soothe, or bring peace to quiet or quell agitation or anger. Sentence: the mother tried to pacify her crying baby by gently rocking her back and forth. Word 17. Quackery, meaning the practice of pretending to have medical knowledge or skills, typically in order to deceive or exploit people. Sentence: the health inspector warned the public against the quackery of the unlicensed practitioner offering miracle cures. Word 18. Rabid, meaning extremely violent, intense, or fanatical, affected with rabies. Sentence: the politicians' rabid supporters were unwilling to listen to any opposing viewpoints. Word 19. Sagacious, meaning having or showing keen mental discernment and good judgment, wise or shrewd. Sentence: the sagacious leader anticipated the challenges ahead and prepared her team accordingly. Word 20. Tableau, meaning a group of models or motionless figures representing a scene from a story or from history. A tableau vivant. Sentence: the living tableau at the museum's exhibit depicted a famous battle scene from the Revolutionary War. Word 21. Ubiquitous, meaning present, appearing, or found everywhere. Sentence: smartphones have become so ubiquitous that it's hard to imagine life without them. Word 22. Vacillate, meaning to waver between different opinions or actions, to be indecisive. Sentence: she tends to vacillate when making decisions, often taking a long time to choose between two options. Word 23. Waive, meaning to refrain from insisting on or using a right or claim, to give up voluntarily, to relinquish, especially temporarily, as a right or claim. Sentence: the company decided to waive the late fee for customers affected by the recent storm. Word 24. Xanadu, meaning a place of great beauty, luxury, and contentment, often considered an idyllic, exotic, or luxurious place. Sentence: after years of hard work, they retired to their own little Xanadu by the beach, enjoying the peace and splendor of their surroundings. Word 25. Yabber, meaning rapid, indistinct talk, jabber. It can also refer to simply talking a lot. Sentence: they yabber for hours, but never really said anything important. Word 26. Zap, meaning to destroy, kill, or obliterate with sudden force, to move swiftly and suddenly. Sentence: the lightning bolt zapped the old oak tree, splitting it down the middle. Thank you for joining me in this journey to transform your vocabulary with 26 words a day. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and you'll see remarkable improvements in no time. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is a powerful tool that opens doors to new opportunities and deeper understanding. Stay curious and happy learning. See you in the next video.